Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We are live here at the PSC Conference Hall inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Nandito po tayo ngayon para sa ikalawang session ng ating forum, and this morning pag-uusapan po natin ang napaka-exciting na Dragon Boat, at narito po ang mga iba-ibang bansa mula sa best paddlers in the world para sa 2024 World Dragon Boat Championships in Puerto Princesa. Pag-usapan po natin. I'm Randy Calwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, Randy. Welcome once again to the PSA Forum. We are here, ground floor po ng ating Philippine Sports Commission building. Hope that you're with us through our page, ang Philippine Sports Writers Association, and likewise on a delayed basis sa Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating Philippine Sports Radio. Judy Karingal po.
Again, partner, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan muna natin ating mga sponsors in behalf of PSA President Nelson Beltran. Maraming salamat po ang Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
And to talk about this historic hosting of the Philippines and Southeast Asia, no? Southeast Asia for this International Canoe Federation World Dragon Boat Championship. So we have the president of our NSA, Philippine Canoe Kayak Dragon Boat Federation, also a coach, rather than Coach, President Len Escoliante. Welcome to the PSA Forum. Yes, magandang araw po kay Coach Len.
Magandang umaga po sa kanilang lahat, Ma'am Judith at saka si Randy. At sa inyo pong lahat, hindi ko na po mababanggit isa-isa, pero alam ko naman na kilala niyo na po ako at mukhang ilang dekada na po kayong kilala. Magandang umaga po.
Yes, Coach. Pwede bang i-share mo sa amin yung mga first, no? Maraming first dito sa hosting na Puerto Princesa ng 2024 World Dragon Boat Federation, no? Can you share with us the good news na ilan ang sasali, first time ito sa Southeast Asia, at gaano kahanda ang Puerto Princesa?
Una-una sa lahat, marami talagang first, sabi mo nga, no? So, first hosting ito ng Southeast Asia when it comes to World Championship ng Dragon Boat under ICF, International Canoe Federation, which is a member of the International Olympic Committee. At the same time, first time din itong mangyayari kasi ang Puerto Princesa, alam naman natin, nag-host sila ng different sports, events, even World Championship, nag-host din sila. Pero when it comes to team events, first time din ito mangyari sa Puerto Princesa under sa pangunguna ni Mayor Lucilo Bayron. So, at isa pa, ang pinaka-first ay kaka-recognize lang sa akin the other day that this is the first time when it comes to Dragon Boat World Championship, the most number of participants. So right now, we have 26 countries na nag-confirm at may ticket na. And still coming like Kazakhstan and Macau, we're still waiting for their entries and flight details. But those 26 countries, talagang confirmed na po at book na po natin sila sa iba-ibang hotels in Puerto Princesa City.
Kamusta naman po yung kahandaan ng Puerto Princesa, no? Dahil napakahirap pong i-host ng ganitong event, no? Dahil of course yung venue pa lang, no? And then yung mga accommodations ng mga participants. Ano po ang kahandaan ng Puerto Princesa?
Ang masasabi ko po, sabi na may motto si Mayor Byron na apuradong administrasyon. Ako po ay parang nadadala na rin sa kanya eh. Apuradong ano na rin tayo, host na country, no? And then, of course, with the support of the Philippine Sports Commission and then the city government of Puerto Princesa, naidaos po natin ito ng maayos, no? At I believe na lahat ng mga participants dito ay hindi lang talaga matutuwa at mag-i-enjoy sa kanilang pagpunta sa Pilipinas. Magiging isang very historical po ang mangyayari nitong palaro natin dito sa Puerto Princesa dahil hindi lang sila maglalaro ng Dragon Boat, ang dami pa nilang mapupuntahan ng mga activities na which is umaakma doon sa layunin natin na pinangungunahan ni Mayor Byron na sports tourism.
Coach, usually sino ang mga powerhouse teams dito sa World Dragon Ball?
When it comes to Dragon Boat po, nandyan po yung top level world champion natin, nasa Southeast. And then, pagdating po sa Europe, nandun po yung Czech Republic, Hungary, yung Ukraine, at saka Russia po. And of course, China. China also is coming.
Ilan po mga events total dito na paglalabanan?
We have total of 54 all in all. But on the junior category, we have only 9 events. So, nandun na yung 2,000, 500, and 200. And then, they're going to use only 10-seaters boats sa junior. So, meron tayong mixed category. Ang composition nun is 4 girls and 6 boys. And then we have also category for all girls, 10 sila. And then category for all boys, 10 din sila.
So yung 54 na yun, Coach, kasama na yung 9 or 54 plus 9 events pa?
No, it's total of 54. Kasi sa junior, 9 events. Sa open category, yun yung mga national team, we have 18 events. And then we have also categories for 40 plus. Yung mga 40 to 49,
Masters.
yun ang tinatawag natin na Masters A. Then we have categories for 50 plus. So yung lahat ng 50 plus pataas, yun naman yung bracket po nila. That is 9 events also. But for 40 plus, we have 18 events. That's why all in all, 54.
Okay, so 54 events, and then yung distances, what are the distances of the race?
The distances are, we will divide it into 3. First day is the 2,000 meters. The second day and the third day is 500 meters. And then the last day on the 23rd is the 200 meters.
Okay, tapos yun na nga. Pero ang isa pang pinaka-importante dito is the national team's bid of making it to the World Games. Anong event ba dito? Anong category ba dito ang pwede ngang mag-qualify para dun sa World Games?
By the way, i-explain ko lang
Yes.
further about the qualifying for World Games. Kasi ito pong nangyari sa World Championship natin sa Puerto Princesa, not only a World Championship for 2024, this should be also a qualifying event for the World Games next year to be held in Qingdong, China.
Okay.
So, bihira lang po mapunta ang Dragon Boat sa World Games. So, ang qualifying po na events is only the senior category, which is mixed. So, ibig sabihin, yung 4 na female at saka 6 na male, yun lang ang magpa-qualify. Pero top 10 lang po. Sa lahat, halimbawa, 26 na bansa ang pumunta rito. Lumaban po sila ng mixed category para mapasama sila for next year. Hanggang 10 lang po na bansa ang papasok dyan. So, pag nakapasok po tayo dyan, kahit sino na po yung ilaban natin next year, not necessary na this year, yung naglaro ng 10-seaters, is sila pa rin po for next year. No, pwede po tayong magpalit as long qualified po yung bansa natin.
So, ibig sabihin, meron talagang standings yung senior mixed competition in all distances, 200, 500, and 2,000?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tapos doon kukuhanin talaga yung ranking.
Yeah,
First 10.
magkakaroon po yun ng cumulative. So,
Yes.
yung lalaban mo sa 200, 500, at saka 2,000, na next category, i-combine po nila yung mga time. Doon po tayo kukuha ng lowest, the lowest time. Yun po yung magiging ranking nila. We call it cumulative time.
And first time for Dragon Ball to be included in the World Games? Ganun ba?
Yeah, yeah. First time also.
So,
Kaya nga
first.
maraming first time. At first time ko rin maging president. Nag-agree pa eh, no?
Okay, sandali lang. Kung 26 countries ang kasali, approximately how many paddlers ang may ipon sa Puerto Princesa for this ICF World Dragon Boat Championships?
Okay, tingnan na lang natin yung mga most number of participants. Number 1 dyan, aside from Philippines, of course, we have 200 plus kasi we fill in the junior, all the categories, master, etc., all the events. Ang sumunod po sa atin is in India. Nasa 160 plus po sila na nag-entry. So, ibig sabihin, i-fill in din nila lahat yan. And then, sumunod is Thailand. nasa 80 plus, and then Canada, Ukraine, ay, mas marami pala ang Iran kaysa sa, ang Iran is more than 80 rin po. So, lumalabas po ngayon, not to mention, is participants pa lang natin na partners, lumaabot na tayo ng 1,500 plus.
Wow, talaga naman.
Yeah, talagang very potential po tayo when it comes to sports tourism.
Talagang festival ng travel.
Wala pa doon yung media, wala pa kayo doon, hindi pa namin kayo nakakount, and of course yung international media. And take note, this is live all over the world by the German IMAS starting system live streaming.
Okay. And then, di ba, proclaim na ng Malacanang na
Yeah.
Dragon Boat, ano ba?
Yeah, the Executive Order 699
Okay.
by the President Bongbong Marcos, every last week of October will be the paddling week.
Paddling Week.
Paddling
Wow.
week. So, pasalamat po tayo kay ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos for doing that.
Yeah,
And,
in line
and of
with-
course, dahil in-endorse po yan rin yan po ng Philippine Sports Commission. Thank you po.
Yeah, in line with that, sino bang special guest natin come this ICF World Dragon Boat Championships?
Of course, nangunguna, sana sa awa ng Diyos, makarating, no? Our very own. And then, Chief of Staff, General Browner, and si Tol Tolentino, Senator P.I. Cayetano, Senator Cynthia Villar. So far, yun po yung mga nag-pledge na they're coming.